Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub welcomes you to 2025. And guys, look into my eyes. 2025 is going to be the year when you are going to get your desired band in IELTS. And after that, you're going to fly to your destination country and you're going to start a brand new life, like brand new year 2025. Okay, this is very, very important. Before I proceed, let me tell you, this is your life and all these opportunities belong to you. Today, whatever you are going to seed, tomorrow you are going to harvest. So now is your life where you are in cultivation phase. You're going to cultivate whatever it is, and tomorrow you are going to harvest whatever you cultivate today. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's go on. As far as IELTS is concerned, I know for many young people, for many youngsters, I'm talking about academic IELTS candidates and even teenagers who appear in general training IELTS, IELTS has become a nightmare. Sometimes you think about IELTS, oh my God. Sometimes you have this feeling that because of IELTS, I'll not be able to go abroad. No, not at all. This is not going to happen. Right now in front of you, the person who is speaking English, this is the same person who used to be afraid of English, who used to run away from English, who used to run away from his school, and he changed several schools because of fear of English. And now today, here I am, I'm guiding you, coaching you on IELTS and all that. So guys, actually, there are several points in our life which become the turning points in the future when you look back and then you say, yeah, that was the turning point of my life. I had a turning point when I decided to learn English, when I decided to turn English from my weakness to my strength, when I decided to improve my communication skills from shyness to confidence and all that. And then I put in all the effort and the result is in front of me. So this is the year when you are going to pull your sleeves up, pull your socks up, and you need to start your IELTS preparation all together from zero. Okay, now in IELTS we have bench score from 1 to 9. And your present level is somewhere. I mean, you know better, but sometimes if you are at present, your present level is band 4 and your target band is band 6 and there is the difference of 2 band. So there is the effort. Sometimes your present ability is equal to your target band. Sometimes you are behind. And sometimes your target band is 7 and you are at band 5 level. So there is that effort. So the distance between your present band and your target band and then the effort depends on that distance. If target band is 6, present band is 5, you don't need that much effort. With a little effort in the right direction, you can actually get your desired band. So identify what is your present level of English and what is your minimum required band in IELTS, not maximum, right? Once a lady called me and I asked her, ma'am, what's your target band? And she said, at least 9. All right, at least 9. 9 is maximum in IELTS, okay? So be careful. Whenever you set your goals must be realistic. It should be possible for you to achieve those goals. Otherwise, those goals will actually end up in smoke and you will not get anything if the goals are unrealistic. Okay, now once you've decided your band score, now take massive action. TMA, take massive action. We don't need slow action. We don't need lazy action. We need massive action in the right direction. And chain reaction. Everything is going to take you towards your target. Every step you walk in the right direction is going to take you towards your target. And when you want to get something wholeheartedly, with full interest, with full, passion, then the whole universe conspires in favor of you to help you get that thing. Okay, that is Paulo Coelho. in his book Alchemist, all right? But anyways, coming back to IELTS, start your IELTS preparation with listening and speaking. If you are afraid of IELTS, listening will tune your ears to good English, and listening will impact your speaking as well. So I advise you, for the first week, when you start your IELTS preparation, only touch listening, speaking. First, do listening. Do listening for 1 to 2 hours a day, right? You can divide your listening into 2 parts. One is general listening, one is IELTS listening. For general listening, you can watch a good romantic movie in English, okay? You can listen to some good songs in English. You can watch some podcasts in English. You can watch some seasons in English. So for general English, you can have a couple of hours because it is fun. And with that general English, you can do IELTS listening, general listening and IELTS listening. When you do IELTS listening, then you will get to know the type of questions that we have in IELTS and all that, okay? So it's going to be very, very helpful to you guys. We have prepared a wonderful, free of cost study plan for those who are going to appear in IELTS in the next week or after few days and all that, okay? So in order to get that study plan, you can just send us a message and write in the message free study plan, all right, on WhatsApp, free study plan, and we'll give you that free study plan which will help you prepare for IELTS within less than 10 hours, and then there you are, okay? Absolutely. Now, this is how you need to prepare for IELTS listening. Now, once you practice listening, imitate their accent, imitate their style, the way they speak, and try to absorb that style and try to speak like them, try to imitate them, copy them, produce that accent, produce those sounds which are produced by native speakers of English, and there you are. Listening will improve your speaking and you will be able to get good bench score in both modules. Now, once your listening and speaking, they are done, after 7 to 10 days, you can step into the realm of writing and reading, okay? So reading and writing, I mean, whenever you practice both modules, you can make a set, listening, speaking in the morning, reading, writing in the evening, afternoon, night, whatever your timetable is, but you need to group listening and speaking together, reading and writing together. Now, you may start with reading. Initially, I advise you to read some passages from Cambridge IELTS books without solving the test, without answering any question. Just read the passage. And when you see the title of the passage, just go to YouTube and type in that title and you will find a video. I have tried it several times and every time I find a good video. Whatever the title is. In IELTS listening, there is a topic about elephant translocation. So I typed in elephants translocation and I found a video. In IELTS reading, there is a passage about zebra migration in Africa, right, in Botswana. So I typed in Botswana zebra migration and I found a complete documentary about that. So try to watch documentaries. First read the passage, then watch the documentary. Then read the passage, then watch the documentary. And like this, go through 25 to 30 passages and watch the documentary. What will happen? Your interest will develop in such type of reading, and along with that, you will start to understand, because you know visuals help you a lot. If you read a passage about zebra migration in Botswana and you watch a video about zebra migration in Botswana and you see the zebras migrating, you will understand each and everything 100%. And once you develop your understanding of such type of passages which are based on science, technology, research, innovation, IELTS reading will not be a problem for you. And as you read, you are going to read sentences, you are going to read new words of vocabulary. Be sensitive. Whenever a new word appears, there are two types of people. One is sensitive, one is senseless. So if you're reading a passage and you find a new word, and if you're senseless, you'll ignore the word and move on, right? And if you are sensitive, you see a new word, you see a new sentence structure, you see a new grammatical structure, you will notice that. You will see, okay, what does it mean in my language? What is the meaning of this new word? Or what is this structure? Is it a conditional sentence? Is it past simple, active voice, passive voice? Is it direct, indirect narration and all that? So if you analyze what you read, that will impact what you write. Good readers are good writers. Good listeners are good speakers. So start reading like this, and you will see after few days, you will start to understand every type of IELTS passage, whether it is academic reading or gender training reading. Reading will not be a problem for you at all, okay? This brings me to the last part of this video, and that is all about writing. Once you read, you develop good understanding of English language, your brain absorbs how English language is written. Now finally you come to writing. Remember guys, there are 4 types of essays which they give you in actual exam. Out of 4 types, they'll give you 1 type. For academic IELTS, there are 4 types of reports. For gender training IELTS, there are 3 types of letters. So the first thing is, make yourself familiar with these writing tasks, okay? My videos are available. You can see my videos on opinion essay, discussion essay, problem solution essay and all that. Then after that, you know, they say whatever you want to write, read. If I want to write love letters, I need to read love letters. Okay, gone are the days when people used to write love letters and all that stuff, right? So if I read poetry, I may learn to write poetry. If I read novels, one day I can write my own novel. If I read self-help books, I may write my own self-help book in the future. So whatever you read, one day you can write that. So I advise you to read essays, as many essays as possible, and whatever you read, don't just leave it. If you read 5 essays, select one of them and rewrite it. You know, reproducing someone's writing will actually encourage writing skills in you, and this entire process is going to help you write perfectly, and this perfect writing is going to bring you very good bench score in writing. Believe me, the plan which I have given you, with this plan you don't need any tutor, any teacher, and you can do IELTS on your own. Right? As you know, they say my way or highway, so you will do it your way actually. So you can read essays, then you can read letters, formal letter, semi-formal letter, informal letter. You can read reports, and there are countless resources available on the internet. Now we have AI, so you can generate your resources with the help of AI. You can generate essays with the help of ChatGPT. You can generate reports, you can generate letters and all that. All these things are going to help you actually, right? For speaking, we have compiled a wonderful book. It's Speaking Guest Book. There are 100 cue cards, 200 plus topics for speaking part 1. You are highly likely to be asked questions from that book, okay? And then we have book on writing, academic writing as well as gender training writing. We have divided writing into 7 units, and these 7 units for gender training and 8 units for academic will cover every inch of IELTS writing, okay? So these books are available in PDF form. If you want to order these books, our WhatsApp number is given. You can just contact us and we will give you all the details about these books. Well guys, 2025 is going to be your year. You know, when a year belongs to you, it means whatever you want, you do it. You know, sometimes we say, I have wasted 3 years of my life. I have wasted 5 years of my life. People complain. Wasted 5 years of their life means they could not do anything. There was no progress. But 2025 is going to be a year which is going to be life changer for you, and this year is going to take you from this point to this point, which even you cannot see in the camera probably, okay? So this year is going to transform your life, and once your life is transformed, then you will look back one day sipping coffee outside the window. You will see snow and cookie also, right? Coffee, cookie, snow. And you'd be thinking the steam is coming out of coffee, and you'd be thinking, Once upon a time, I used to watch Asad Yaqub videos on IELTS, and I worked hard, and now today I am in Canada. Very soon I'm going to get my PR. I'm in Australia, I'm in UK, I'm going to get my nationality here and all that. So inshallah, this is going to happen with you all. And once this happens, you should let me know about it. Okay, thank you so much, guys. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we offer IELTS test booking service all over Pakistan. We offer study plans before exam. If you could not prepare well, or if you did not prepare well, you can get study plan, and within few days you can get ready for IELTS. These study plans are paid. You can contact us and we'll give you all the details about these study plans, right? Thank you so much. Best of luck. 2025 is going to be the year which is going to become the most important year of your life, and this year is going to change your every year which is going to come in the future. All the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.